Hi, this is Steve with Xennsoft, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to change the look and feel of the slider that we have on our demo site. These images here below make up what's called a layer slider, and this slider has been set to switch back and forth from one set of images to another. So I'm going to walk you through the steps and actually change this look to something completely different. So we'll start on WordPress and we'll go to our dashboard. There's a few different sliders you can choose from. LayerSlider is what we have on our demo site and we'll be adjusting today. So we'll click on all sliders, and here we have our two different demo sliders which you've seen switch back and forth on the web page. In this video I'm going to change the complete look of the first slider. If I wanted to, I could just delete these completely and then add a new slider in, but I'd rather work with what's already there and just modify it. So I'm going to go to full width demo slider, and here we can see the image that we started with. So let's go to work and have some fun. This is a drag and drop interface. So to move these perfume bottles, for example, I can just click on them, drag them around, drop them wherever I want. I can move the tagline over. It's very simple to work with. I have a list of all the layers. So for example, with flowers, I could go ahead and delete this if I want to, but I'm just going to change the image to my own. So if you remember from the last video, I'm going to be creating a vacation themed website. So I'm going to call my first image Ocean, and I'll simply click on this image to add my own. This is taking me to my media library. In a previous video we showed you how to upload images to your library. So I'll select the image I want to use. I can edit the image if I want to, and I'll go ahead and insert it. Okay, there's my image, and I can drag this around. That might be close to where I want it, but I'm going to add my other image in so I can work with them both together. So under Perfume, I'll rename this Shocked. Add my image, insert, and there it is. So this is a bit larger than I'd like it to be. So I'm going to make some additional changes, and I can go under Style. Hope I misspelled shock here. And you can play around with the width and the height, and I previously determined I want this at a height of 250. So that adjusted the height for me. And while I'm at it, under Ocean, I'm going to go to Style and change the height here as well. Actually, let me put that at 800. I'm going to put the width at 1280. And with this picture I chose, that's going to allow it to fit in here just perfectly. So as you can see, it's very easy to adjust the layout, and you can play around with the height and the width. I kind of like the arrow buttons, but I'd like them to be over here on the side. So it's that simple to move those around. Let's change this tagline. So if I click on this image, it'll take me right to it so I can make the adjustments. So under Content, we see that this is a text, not an image. I can change it to an image if I'd like to. I'm going to leave it as a text. Okay, and I'm going to change the name over here. Okay, I'm going to go under Styles. And here I can change the font, the background color. I don't really like the background at all, so I'm going to take that out. And on the font, I'm going to choose Indie Flower. Let's see how that looks. Okay, I like how that looks, but I do want it to be a lot larger size, so let's put it up from a 30 to a 50. Maybe just a little bit bigger. Let's try 60. Okay, I think that'll work. But I don't like the white color, so I'm going to come down here. I want to go with more of a blue. And you can see as I move this around, the color number changes. So if you have a color you'd already like to use, you can plug that number in here. Or if you want to keep colors consistent, you can use the same number. So I've chosen one previously. So that's the color I'd like to use. Then we have this other text here. I don't think I want any other text on the site, so I'm going to just delete this. Okay. And that goes away. Okay, let's see how this will look. I'm going to enter preview. And there we go. So there's all kinds of changes and adjustments that you can make. Just have fun with it, play around with it. To see what something does, go ahead and make some adjustments, enter preview, see how it affects things, and you can customize your website to be your own. In the next video, I'll be making changes to the second slider. So take a look at that, and thanks for watching.